Hello, everyone. This is Mildred, Millie Mill, also known as Millie Mill, from Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor Ideas. Well, we're going to have Manae doing her own decor ideas today. And what she's going to be doing for us today is she's going to be taking up old carpet, believe it or not, off of her staircase. And I'm glad that she's learning how to do her own decor ideas. Um, so let's see what she do, okay? So I'm going to point the camera back around to her, and I'm going to be filming her today instead of her filming me. So here's Nene, and you're going to be seeing her take down this carpet from her stairways, okay? Here we go. Ready, Nene?
Hello everyone, my name is Manae. I'm here with Millie Mill from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Right now I am working on trying to get this old carpet off my staircase. I have a couple appliances I'm using right now. I'm using a blade.
Oh, is that a utility knife?
It's a utility knife, but
Oh,
it's
okay.
a blade.
Okay.
And I'm using a crowbar.
Oh, okay.
And
Good.
I'm supposed to have a pliers in case I need to get the staplers.
Oh, that's probably
But,
last minute, Nene. Yeah.
I'm not going to worry about that right now.
Yeah.
I think I'm fine with these two.
Okay, so let's see what you do.
So let me get started. Let's go. I already started doing some of the work earlier. What I did
And
is I
y'all,
took the
believe it or
knife-
not, we're going to show y'all the continuation of this later because
Yes.
I think she's going to hire someone to come in and select her staircase.
Yeah.
And I don't know if she's going to do some interior design, but she said she couldn't stomach the wall right there that she's leaning on. She want that wall knock open and have an open staircase. But I think she should leave it like that. What y'all think?
So
All
what
right,
I'm
well,
gonna
anyway,
do-
let's watch it.
What I'm going to do now is take my knife and I cut straight down
In the crease?
in the crease of the copper. Make
Okay.
sure you get it real good
Yeah.
in there. And so it can come, so you can easily pull it up. Get it
Okay.
to pull it from the staircase.
Right.
So now I did this already, so I already prepped this, so it's already done.
You're right.
So what I'm gonna do is pull it now and see it should come right on off.
Okay.
No problem. See, everyone.
Pull hard. Yeah, pull.
And watch out for the
Nene's
staplers.
strong because she...
I don't know if you can get a good look at
Yeah,
this.
I can
The
see,
staplers are
yeah.
sticking out, so be
I think
careful
everybody can see Nene.
with the stapler.
Yeah. I'm just glad to see that you're doing your own home decor. So what are you going to do? Select those stairs or are you going to put more
I
carpet
haven't
there?
really decided. I think I might do that. Select them from now until I decide what I really want to do with it.
Oh, you got some beautiful
But I
staircase.
just want to get rid of this old rug from off the staircase right now.
So y'all, I'm going to step back so y'all can see the finished product. I'm trying to step back into another room. Can y'all see it?
So you just pull it. Use your strength to pull. That's all you need to do.
Pull, okay.
Because it's stapled down.
Uh-huh.
Some coppers are nailed down. I don't remember.
Right. So as y'all can see, Nene is pulling the carpet off of her staircase. She's doing her own work.
Yeah.
We save a lot of money because they're going to, if you go to Home Depot, they're going to say, we're going to charge you for taking up old carpets and putting down new carpet. Now they just charge us for the new carpet or whatever Nene is going to decide to do with her staircase going upstairs to the upstairs bedroom.
Oh, I just yank it. See how I'm yanking it?
Yeah.
Right. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Rope.
Oh, it's dirty,
Yeah,
Nene.
it's dirty. That's why I'm taking it up.
Wow.
Needs to be-
Well, we only been here like going on, what, 2 years now?
Yeah, but you know, this copper been here.
You don't know how long he had it
Yeah, you don't
there,
know how
the
long the
old owner, so.
I'm just watching these staples.
And I don't think she went black because you really don't know when it's dark carpet like that. You don't know when it's dirty. But look, we can see the dirt underneath it. As y'all can see, giving y'all the best angle I can.
There you go, everyone.
Oh, good. So that's finished, Nene?
Look at you. I mean, I just got that little part right there, but the
Okay.
thick part has been done. So I'm going to roll this up so it
Uh-huh.
can be neatly easy for me to carry it outside.
Okay.
So that's how I'm doing right now.
Oh, so they just had it like one piece going up and down the step there. Wow.
Whew, excuse me. Trying to get this roll up, guys. Everybody.
That's fantastic. So you could just, this is called a do-it-yourself.
See how
Remove
this
a
is?
carpet. Yeah. She got her gloves on. She got her goggle on, and she got her mask on in case of the dust.
There you go, guys. This is out the
Oh, that's great, Nene. I'm glad you learned that.
And for this part right here, it's really not hard. This part I'll get up later.
I'll get up and look, let them
Yeah.
see the next spot she's gonna
This
go
will
on,
be the next
everybody.
video, guys. I'm not gonna do this today.
Okay, y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can watch Nene do over her steps.
Yes.
You know, DIY, and as you can see, it has the cushion underneath, and she have to remove these.
Yeah.
Look like staplers here.
I have
As you
to
can see
use
on this part here, the
probably a
padded part. But
pliers.
she's not going to move it now.
No.
But yeah,
Oops.
but she will once she decide what to do. And it looks like before they had it painted. As we can see now, it was.
just cut this here because I
But it's
want.
beautiful step. I don't hear no squeaks, y'all. And she's going down to another part of it. She got to go into the crease. Wherever there's a crease at, you find that crease and you cut it right in there. So this is Sweet Sugar Plum Home, y'all.
Hey.
Showing y'all a great idea how to DIY, remove carpet off of the staircase. And all Nene did was she showed you she cut in the crease of the stairway and pulled it up.
All right, signing out.
Oh, Nene, can we see a little bit more?
Sure. I'm just trying to get this little part right here. Trying to get it.
So y'all stay tuned
Kinda
to
tough
our YouTube videos on our Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor idea. And I think I'm going to hand Nene a plum. Nene, would you like to have a plum?
Yes, I'd like to have a pie too.
Because she's getting to that Sweet Sugar Plum Home plummy sugar thing, y'all. You know what I mean, for comfort. So she removed these old carpets. We don't know how long it's been down there, but he had it clean. He said he had it clean. It looked really good when we came in. But now she's trying to remove it.
I can pull this out.
I know what y'all saying is she's doing it without me. No, I had to give her some coaching. I did give her some coaching.
Guys,
Okay, as you can see, you're gonna struggle a little bit.
yeah, this one is in
Because,
tight.
it's in a little tight, and it's not even in the crease of Nene, you be careful with your hand. Go get that blade away from your hand.
Okay.
That utility knife away from you, okay? Y'all don't try to go in the direction of you. So,
Whoa.
okay, there go a little, who's up there? Oh, we see you. That's little Glory up there. Glory, what are you doing up at the top of the step there? Oh, she says you don't know. Say hello to everybody. Glory? Glory? Uh-oh, she don't want to say hello to
She's
y'all.
camera shy.
She's kind of camera shy. But anyway, Nene is still trying to get this little piece up. But as y'all can see, this is the, the pad underneath the carpet that she just pulled up. And those are some of the tools she used. And now she has to get like a wire plies, or even a ply will do it, to pull out these staples to get the remaining pad out. I don't think she's going to keep those pads because you don't know what went down in these pads, you see? So, I think she's going to have Home Depot come in and replace her old carpet, or she says she might just remove some of this paint off the steps, because before you could see that somebody had it painted.
This is really tough.
I don't know why.
This one's tough.
She may have to get a little contractor in here to do the rest of the work for her. At least she got some of her work done where she can save some money, because they will charge you for all this stuff, y'all.
Yes,
Removing of carpet, removing of this, and all you want them to come in and say, excuse me, I want this and I want that. So that's basically when we get down to the bare steps here, which we're getting down to. And I don't know if they have to replace these boards, if she wants that shellac look, I really don't know what she's going to decide yet. But I do know that she said she may just replace this black carpet. They had black carpet going up the steps here.
This is tough.
And you couldn't really see if it was dirty or not. I like
out
light
now.
carpet. Oh, we got to go down because it's dusty. I don't have my mask on, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to go down a couple of steps.
Yeah, that's why I got my mask.
Ooh, don't throw it on me, Nene. It's dusty.
Everyone is.
Okay, so
That was tough.
so sometimes you do have to, when you're doing home decor ideas, well, there you go. You don't want to do too much in interior design. You need to sometimes get somebody in that has a specialty with the interior design. But we're doing home decor, and so far as y'all can see, We have stripped down this carpet
Yep.
and making it more comfortable
down
to
the
look at.
staircase.
Black carpet, y'all, going up to the bedroom, okay?
Yeah.
It didn't seem so kosher to me. I wanted to show y'all these curtains I made. It's up these steps here. Oh, there you go, Glory. Say hello. Glory, don't be shy. Say hello. They want to talk to you. Say something. Say something. Oh, okay. Everybody enjoy that. Okay, these are curtains I made here myself. This is when my fabric store was open. And as y'all can see, this is a high window. So I went and I bought these fabrics here. It's kind of really beautiful fabrics on the other side. It's kind of like thick fabrics, but it's very beautiful, as y'all can see. And I bought the lace, and you wouldn't believe this, I hand stitched this myself. And I'm gonna show you that I really made this because I'm gonna show you the
Stitches.
underneath here. There's the, you see?
Oh, that's
I didn't
nice.
even, I don't even think I did try to. Oh, can y'all see it?
Oh, wow.
Okay,
It's
so it's coming out,
Look.
and I did. Okay, so that's good. So now, as y'all can see, I put lace here, and I put lace on the inside of this curtain. These are hand stitched curtains, believe it or not. You know, some people don't believe me. They came to my house and it was like, "You really did make these?" I said, "Yeah." And as y'all can see up here, I did that at the top there. I made some ripples in there. Ripples, but like I said, my fabric store is not open now because of the pandemic. And these ones have the same thing. This is same curtains and stuff. Y'all can see. See, it has the lace inside. These are the beautiful lace. And I hand stitch it myself. I want to show y'all how I hand stitch it. I hope I've got this not too good on filming, but can y'all see it? Oh, see? I hand stitch it. See, those are hand stitches. Those are not machine stitch. See the red little threads there? I did that all the way up there to put on this lace. And inside of here, I had like glue this in. Oh, I don't know if it's glue. No, it's called that thing. You know, you get that cement thing and it's seam. It's a seam, what's it called? Seam tape. And I used the seam tape and I put it in here. But I hope y'all enjoy Sweet Sugar Plum Home. See, I got pins there, okay? So I really didn't even close it up yet completely. But these are going to come down and now because it's been up here all winter. But it's good to have these particular curtains for the winter. As you can see, this is a high window. Very high window. Window. I'm saying winter. Window. And so I'm going to put some sheer curtains up here. Okay, so I hope y'all get the idea of making your own curtains too. It wasn't easy, but my mind, you know, you can be creative. Once you put your mind to anything, it just somehow transforms itself into what you're thinking sometimes. And I'm not that creative, but I just like doing home decor. So y'all can see the whole curtain now. It's very beautiful. And we're going to take those down too. We're a little behind time. This should have been down by May. And you should have had the sheer curtains up for the winter. This one don't have a blind up here because really it's upstairs, so you really don't. Who's going to see up there? Maybe some people in town will get a ladder to go up there. But anyway, signing out, tuning out from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. But anyway, I want y'all to enjoy this. We still got some more work to do. We got to paint this whole thing here, as you can see. But this is Nanae's new home, so her new place that she's renting out, and she can do whatever she wants to do because it's rent to buy. So she has a home that is rent to buy. So I guess he doesn't care what you do, you know, as long as you take care of it. And if you decide to buy it from him, then do so. But we'll see how it looks once we finish doing some of her decor ideas, okay, y'all? And if y'all got any ideas, y'all know what to do. Subscribe to me at the YouTube channel, and we will be back with more. Leave your comments about whatever you have seen so far with Nanae stripping down the stairways. Black carpet, y'all, okay? And y'all remember that. I'm going to do a before and after picture and probably put it on Instagram once we're finished. We're not sure what we're going to do with this yet, but we knew that that black carpet had to come up. So, this is Millie Mill signing out from what? Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Let's give, since she did that, Nene deserved what? A plum. So, Nene, hold this and I'll go get your plum. And you feel me going to get your plum.
Okay.
I'll be the honor to give Nene the plum. And y'all got to excuse the way I look today because, Nene surprised me today. So, but let me find her a plum. So we got Nene a plum, and these are big, juicy black plums. Nene,
Ooh.
I want you to bite in there.
Good.
I'm gonna get her the most softest one.
Juicy
She's
one.
juicy. This is the black plum, and you got red plum and black plum. So we're gonna hand this over. I'm gonna take the film back from her,
Oh,
the
okay.
camera back from Nene, as she bite into. Oh, you want me to wash that off, Nene?
No. Yeah, please.
She said she want to wash off because, you know, it's coming straight from the store. And these are plums from California. So here you go for the hottest season.
Thank you.
Okay, Nene, I hope you enjoy your... Oh, wait a minute, is this me? Oh, I got to go
It's
to
on
you. Okay,
So
so
I got
Nene...
my juicy
Okay,
plum.
we're going to have you do that right in front of your staircase, what you just
Yeah.
did your own decor idea of removing, doing your DIY, removing the carpets
Yes.
yourself. And it helps save money. And I'm glad we did it because I didn't know that it looks like it was painted from before. But Nene has a plum, and she's going to tell us how juicy this plum
I'm
is.
gonna go now and take a bite. This is really good. and
Okay,
juicy.
everybody.
Gotta go get you one.
Oh, I will. Everybody know I'm going to
Enjoy
get my
your
plum
sweet sugar plum.
home with comfort. Okay, so you have your Sweet Sugar Plum Home decor idea, and that's giving you comfort. As you can see, Nene is enjoying this Sweet Sugar Plum Home comfort. She's eating up that plum, y'all, and can we have some, Nene?
Yeah.
Okay, signing out, y'all.
Get yourself
Millie
your
Mill
own.
and Manae from Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor Idea. Remember, y'all, subscribe to my channel, and y'all will get press on that notification button. Leave your comments below on any ideas you may have for this staircase, and we will take it in consideration. If anybody want to send us something, we got a P.O. box about what you think should be done with this staircase. We'll put your idea to work. And then the next thing we do, y'all, we're going to paint that sucker, okay? So signing out, y'all, from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Bye-bye.
I'll do it. Go ahead.
Now I'm signing out.
Okay.
Bye-bye, y'all. I'm not even...